Hello everyone, I am Karsam from MeritSun. In the previous videos, I shared with you the selection of cells and batteries for industrial and commercial energy storage systems, the working principles of various accessories, and the capacity and size selection of energy storage systems. Many fans have contacted us privately to inquire about the daily operation and maintenance management of energy storage systems. In this video, we will share with you the operation and maintenance management and cloud platform functions of MeriTech's industrial and commercial energy storage system. The industrial and commercial energy storage system is a large-scale power equipment, and safety management during its operation is of paramount importance. First of all, when formulating plans for customers in the early stage, we focus on the safety management of operation and maintenance, strive for excellence, and produce high-safety energy storage systems. Secondly, we will adopt the most advanced management concepts and methods and provide professional training to customers to help customers establish a complete safety management system, equipment maintenance and data management system to ensure the orderly progress of operation and maintenance management. At the same time, we will regularly formulate professional safety training plans for customers so that customers can train on-site operation and maintenance personnel to improve their safety awareness and emergency response capabilities. The performance optimization of the energy storage system directly affects the stable and efficient operation of the system. This process covers multiple dimensions of optimization, aiming to maximize the charging and discharging efficiency and energy conversion efficiency, ensuring that every bit of energy can be used efficiently. At the same time, with the help of our advanced technology, we can achieve instant insight into the status of the equipment and instant processing to ensure the stability of the system. In the face of changes in market demand, we use flexible expansion and upgrade strategies to ensure that the energy storage system can always meet the growing energy storage demand. During the operation and maintenance of energy storage power stations, it is crucial to pay close attention to cost control. The cost of operation and maintenance is closely related to equipment performance, maintenance, and loss costs, etc. Before production, we strictly control the raw materials, select high-quality and easy-to-maintain energy storage equipment, reduce the subsequent maintenance losses, and reduce the operation and maintenance costs from the source. At the same time, we implement a standardized and process-based management model to ensure that the operation and maintenance work process is standardized and efficient, reduce resource waste and human errors, and further optimize the operation and maintenance costs. The energy storage system will generate a large amount of data during operation, such as battery pack status, charging and discharging data, etc. Effective management and analysis of data can significantly improve the efficiency and quality of operation and maintenance management. Now you can see that behind me is our self-developed smart monitoring platform. It can monitor the energy flow of the system and the real-time status of each component, support remote control and precise control response in seconds, and greatly improve the efficiency and flexibility of operation and maintenance. With the support of the smart monitoring platform, the system can accurately control the power curve and charging and discharging strategy, flexibly respond to and actively adapt to various application requirements, and ensure the optimization of system operation. The efficient operation and management of industrial and commercial energy storage power stations is inseparable from the comprehensive control and optimization of key links such as safety, performance, data, and cost. We have won the trust and praise of customers with its excellent safety performance, intelligent data management, and high-quality services. Welcome to discuss the operation and maintenance management of energy storage systems and share more knowledge about energy storage systems with you. Welcome to follow us. See you in the next video.